having fun with each other. No, that didn't sound right. I practically lost my voice. Beer is got so expensive. These are bombs. It scared the bleeding life out of me when I saw 3 people. The explosion, it was so large. Not with it today, really not. This weekend we're in sunny Suffolk on a rally organised by Trev and Sue from Posh Cats Camping. And we're not alone, we are with loads of good friends that we've made and YouTubers, including
Extreme Motorhoming Adventures,
Rick and Heather, Pearl the CV20,
Crafty Camper Vanners,
Helen and Martin's Treks,
Two Little Campers, the Frenchies Motorhomies,
Posh Cats Camping.
So it's going to be a weekend of socialising, relaxing and just having fun with each other. No, that didn't sound right. So it's going to be a weekend of socialising, relaxing and just having fun. And if you don't like any of that, just skip to the end. Right, it is Saturday evening and it is time to do some chatting and some socialising in their little village hall. What a fantastic night we all had, everybody. It was amazing, really good. Lots was drunk, many singing, many shouting, and well, just generally enjoying ourselves. I practically lost my voice due to talking and singing and whatnot. It's Sunday and people are now moving off. There's not very many of us left actually. There's a big space here, of course. We're not going to be moving off until later on because probably, in fact, most of these people, because we're all heading off later on this afternoon to a pub and we're going to stay there the night. It's got quite a lot. It's not like a Brit. Well, I don't think it's a Brit stop or anything, but they do events there and stuff. And we're just going to go there for the evening, have a meal, and stay the night. Now, talking of pubs and Brit stops and stuff, I just want to mention something that kind of really narked us the other day. So we came here, we had a Brit stop before we arrived, so that was a Friday night, and it was in Colchester. It was a Green King pub, I think it was. We had a great meal, great time, nothing wrong with the place, until we got the bill. Now, I don't know if you guys have noticed, everything's gone up of course, but beer is got so expensive. This particular pint I was drinking, when we got the bill, £6.20 a pint. Can you believe that? £6.20. That is more. I even asked how much Guinness was because that's generally the most expensive beer, I think, but it wasn't as expensive. It's still like £5.50 or something, but that's London prices. That is ridiculous. We're in Suffolk. So, and Zoe's cider, that was £5.20, I think. But yeah, what do you think? I think that could really kill the industry if they're selling beers for that type of silly money. Anyway, let us know what you think. Back to the fun. So everyone's packing up, ready to move on to the next destination, the pub, which I've now forgotten. But Zoe and I decided to get some exercise before we do that. because we've done nothing in terms of exercise. So we've gone for a walk, and there's a museum not too far away from where we were camping, the town hall, called the 493 Bomb Group Museum of Debark. I think that's how you pronounce it, and that's where we're going now. It only opens on the last Sunday of each month, but it's not the last Sunday of the month, so I don't know if it's actually open. It did look like it's open. So,
by the gates.
So we're just walking up to it, and hopefully we can take a look around.
Admission is free, isn't
Yeah,
it?
free admission. So clearly this is a runway, and clearly these are bombs. We've got a visitors centre. It looks also like a cafe, doesn't it? Well, it actually says the Rocker Bar. Got their own fire station. So this looks like the control room where they control the flights and whatnot. None of it actually looks like it's open. Everything seems to be shut. So maybe the gates that we walked through, which are open, were left open by mistake. I don't know. It's interesting though. Just looked through this window here and scared the bleeding life out of me when I saw 3 people. So it's a shame that that's not open. It looked quite interesting. The 493 Bomb Group. So just read this sign here. It's about the Debark airfield and the 493 Bomb Group. It got a number of stories on there, but the one that really kind of caught my eye was the one about the Flying Fortress, and has a big bomber aircraft called the Devil's Own. As soon as it took off, the engine burst into flames, and with its wing on fire, it had to land at Debark. And the crew managed to get out just before the bomb load exploded. Now the explosion, it was so large that one of the hangars there, its doors were blown completely off. So we are back from our short walk, but it looks like everyone has left. We are in the field on our own, so it's about time we got packed up and headed to our next destination. Well, we've arrived at our next destination, the old mill house at Saxted. And just up the road there is a windmill. I haven't seen a windmill for a while. Well, normally they're wind turbines, not a normal windmill like that. It's just dawned on me that the picture in the old mill house sign here is probably that windmill just up there. Not with it today, really not. And this is our setup at the back of their very large car park. And Herman is tucked away in the corner there. Right, I'm going to be quick because I'm very hungry, I'm very tired, and this meal, what we just ordered, looks fantastic. But everybody is here in the place, and I'm having this roasted carvery. 2 meats, look at the size of that, thickness of that pork just there, and there's somewhere under there is beef. And Zoe's having the same. What do you think? Which is just nodding. Oh, you got horseradish? Oh, one more thing. £10.50 was it, something like that? It's like 11 quid, which is a bargain. And the beer is a lot cheaper than the other place we went to.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so I'm going to tuck in now. It is Monday, it's our last day on our Posh Cats camping rally. We're going home today, but we thought we'd have a look at the mill. Now this is Saxted Green Post Mill, and it's owned and organised by the English Heritage. I think it's £5.50 to get in, but unfortunately it's only open a couple of days a week, and today is not one of them. It's a corn mill, and it is still functional. You can go up there when it's open, you can go up there and have a look around. And then it actually spins in the direction of the wind, of course. Yeah, another place which you can't visit because it's shut, but we're here. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.
Shall I squeeze your bum and then we'll say it together?
Go.
Right.
Most people have actually just done a countdown rather than
Alright, you want to do a countdown or can I squeeze it? Right.